Okay, so this is going to be pretty hard to hear, but let me just go ahead and connect the charger. So I'll show you guys exactly what's happening. All right. Okay. All right. So there's no crackling at the moment, and the device is charging, as you can see. It's charging. Okay. No crackle. Nothing at all. When I play this video, no crackle whatsoever. Okay. Watch what happens when I disconnect it. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but it's a very, very low buzzing sound. And it's not just a video as well. So even if I just do this, it sounds a little distorted.